Hi everyone, today we are going to unbox the Orient Electric Apex FX white ceiling fan. So let's get started. So the good thing about this fan is it's white in color and the price is very reasonable. It's just over 1,000 rupees because this is a conventional fan. This is not a a BLDC fan. So this is when we open the box. So this is the view once the box is open. That's the rod. That's the Orient cups. That is the fan. These are the white blades. We'll try and open them. See, this is Apex FX white. Thanks for watching. If you need any further clarifications for this fan, just drop me a comment and I'll be more than happy to help you out. Thanks for watching.